My email was hacked. What to do right away. If your email was hacked, act fast because your email is connected to almost everything. The good news? You can fix this. We'll walk you through exactly what to do right now. Quick actions for hacked email. If your email was hacked, start here. Don't wait. Try to log in and change your password immediately. If locked out, use the account recovery option. Do this from a device you trust. Changing your password is the fastest way to lock the hacker out and one of the most important first steps. Why a hacked email is serious. Your email isn't just email. It's the key to your other accounts. You probably use it for password resets, banking alerts, social media access. If someone controls your email, they can try to access everything else. Action steps for a hacked email. Step 1. Secure your account. Once you're back in, secure your account immediately. Create a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication. Update recovery email and phone. Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of protection even if your password is exposed. Step 2. Check for suspicious activity. Next, check your account carefully. Look for sent emails you didn't send, forwarding rules or filters, unknown devices logged in. Hackers often set up hidden access so they can stay in your account. Step 3. Secure your other accounts. If you use the same password anywhere else, change it now, especially if you used it for banking, social media, shopping accounts. Hackers often use your email to reset passwords on other accounts. Step 4. Check your device. Make sure your device is safe. Run a security or antivirus scan. Update your device. Remove suspicious apps. Each one helps remove malware that could steal your passwords. Step 5. Warn your contacts. Let your contacts know that you think your email was hacked. Tell them not to click suspicious emails. Warn them about possible scams. Warning your contacts helps prevent the problem from spreading. Quick recap. If your email was hacked, here's what to do. Change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication. Check account activity and settings. Secure your other accounts. Scan your device. Common mistake. One common mistake is only changing your password and stopping there, not enabling 2FA, not checking account settings, not securing other accounts. Leaves you exposed to further exposure and secondary or follow-up scams. Hackers often leave backdoors if you don't fully secure everything. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech Help. Tech made simple.